How you doing?
Good. How are you?
All right.
Good.
Thank
On
you for
fire.
Thank you for stopping by.
Always. Yeah.
I really appreciate it.
You bet.
I know.
Anytime I can.
I know that.
Practice your Spanish?
That you're.
I downloaded the. Hey, Fabio.
Yeah. So, escribe ahí esas 7 cualidades y vamos a volver a ellas, pero yo quiero aprovechar el tiempo con Paul. I know your time is really precious.
No, take your time.
So
I've got time.
I wanted to jump right in. Let me bring you. Yo lo voy a poner a él en contexto. Le voy a explicar un poco de lo que estamos haciendo acá para que él pueda entonces saltar con nosotros. Mientras tanto, tú puedes ir escribiendo ahí esas 7 cualidades. So we're talking about creating a new story. That's the name of my book. And the thesis of the book is that your past is not your destiny. You know, it's like you came from Pittsburgh, from your story, but that's not where you're headed.
Yeah.
You know, that's not where you're headed. And who you were in 1982, that's not who you're supposed to be in 2021.
That's right.
Like, you know, your past does not determine who you are supposed to be tomorrow, right? You can change that completely.
Okay.
Now, the only way that you start changing that is by changing your self-image, right? Because if you don't see it here, if you don't feel it here, you cannot manifest it, right? If I don't see it in myself, I will never be able to manifest that. So we're talking about that. So that's what we're going through right now. So I know your story, right? I heard your story many, many times. I could probably recite portions of it, right? But share with us about the importance of starting by, you know, accepting and changing your self-image, because many times we want to change something, but we don't accept it, right? So I have to accept, hey, you accept it. Hey, yes, I came from poverty. Yeah. You don't hide that. You're very open about that, right? But the only way for you to change it is that you accept it first, right? So you accept it, and then you say, okay, now what can I do to go forward, right? Yeah. So talk to us a little bit about that, and I will do interpretation for you. Yes.
Okay. When we think of our story,
cuando nosotros pensamos de nuestra historia,
and if we think of any story,
si pensamos de alguna historia,
when we get a book,
cuando tú encuentras un libro,
the first thing we do is we look at the table of contents.
Lo primero que miramos es el índice.
See, the table of contents
El
tells us
índice
what's coming.
nos dice lo que viene.
But most of us
Pero mayoría de nosotros
get captured in the story of the book,
nos quedamos en la historia del libro
never to go back to the original table of contents.
y nunca revisamos el índice original.
See, the table of contents is the table of content of what's inside of you.
El índice es el índice de lo que hay dentro de ti.
The table of content is much stronger than the story.
El índice es mucho más poderoso que la historia.
If you truly knew
Si tú supieras
who wrote the table of your content,
quién escribió el índice de tu vida,
see, God,
Dios,
G-O-D, the grand overall designer,
el diseñador de todas las cosas,
before your story was penned,
antes de que tu historia fuera escrita,
he wrote the table of contents of your life.
él escribió el índice de tu vida.
And inside the table of contents of your life
Y en el índice de tu vida
are deep reservoirs of skill, talent, and potential
hay muchas reservas de talentos, habilidades, dones
that may never be reflected in the story
que nunca pueden reflejarse en la historia
if you don't understand the table of
si
contents.
tú no entiendes el índice.
See, in our life,
En nuestra vida
there's 3 authors of our story.
hay 3 autores de nuestra historia.
The first author is God himself, who writes the table
Es
of contents.
es el primer autor, Dios, quien escribió el índice de la historia.
Perhaps the first 4 or 5 chapters
Quizás
are written by others.
los primeros 4 o 5 capítulos son escritos por otros.
It's written by our parents,
Está escrito por nuestros
our
padres,
grandparents,
nuestros abuelos,
those people who have influence
las
in our
personas que
lives.
tienen influencia en nuestras vidas,
It's written by the conditions and circumstances
las
we find ourselves in.
condiciones y circunstancias que tenemos alrededor escriben también.
And for most people, that's the only story they read.
Y para muchas personas, esa es la única historia que ellos leen.
But each one of us have been given a pen,
Cada uno de nosotros se nos ha dado un lápiz
a golden pen,
de oro,
an ability to rewrite the story,
una habilidad de reescribir la historia,
to go back to the truth of the table of our content,
para ir atrás a al verdadero índice de la historia
and to write the story as God intended it to be.
y
for your life.
escribir la historia como Dios intentó desde el principio de tu vida.
The God that created Everest,
El Dios que creó Everest,
the God that created the rainforest,
el Dios que creó las forestas,
the God that created the Pacific and the Atlantic,
el Dios que creó el Pacífico y el Atlántico,
designed and created you.
te diseñó y te creó a ti.
That God creates only two ways,
Ese Dios solo crea en dos formas. Escribe esto:
perfectly and abundantly.
perfectamente y abundantemente.
In everything you see,
En todo lo que tú ves,
wherever God has created it,
donde quiera que Dios lo ha creado,
we see perfection
vemos perfección
and we see abundance.
y vemos abundancia.
And that perfection and abundance is
Y esa
held in place
perfección y esa abundancia está agarrada en un lugar,
through divine order,
en una orden divino,
defined by law,
diseñado por ley, definido por ley.
not luck or chance.
No chance o suerte.
And so what each one of us has is an opportunity
Lo que cada uno de nosotros tiene es una oportunidad
to change that story.
de cambiar esa historia.
That our birthright,
Que nuestro derecho de nacimiento
gifted to us by God,
se dio a nosotros por Dios,
designed through abundance and perfection,
diseñado a través de abundancia y perfección,
has two fundamental characteristics.
tiene dos características fundamentales:
Abundance
abundancia
and dominion over all
y
things.
dominio sobre todas las cosas.
Think about that.
Piensa acerca de eso.
As a birthright of God,
Como un derecho de nacimiento de Dios,
in the table of
en
contents
el
of our life,
índice de nuestra vida,
it says right there
dice ahí mismo
that you have dominion over all things.
que tú tienes dominio sobre todas las cosas.
Now, dominion doesn't mean power.
Dominio no significa poder.
It's something much more powerful than
Es
power.
mucho más poderoso que el poder.
It means authority.
Significa autoridad.
That you have authority over the conditions and circumstances of your life.
Que tú tienes autoridad sobre las condiciones y circunstancias de tu vida.
That you have dominion over all the conditions and circumstances of your life.
Que tú tienes dominio sobre todas las condiciones y circunstancias de tu vida.
So when we think about exercising dominion in our life,
Cuando nosotros pensamos en ejercer el dominio sobre nuestra vida,
it translates into every area of your life.
se transmite en cada área de nuestra vida.
Do you think that means everything but your income?
¿Tú piensas que eso sería todo, pero no tu ingreso?
Do you think it means everything but your potential?
¿Tú piensas que es todo menos tu potencial?
You have dominion over everything.
Tú tienes dominio sobre todo.
And that dominion and authority
Y ese dominio y esa autoridad
doesn't just mean that we have dominion and authority over the external thing.
no significa que nosotros tenemos dominio y autoridad sobre lo externo.
We must first exercise that dominion internally.
También nosotros tenemos que ejercitar ese dominio internamente.
In James Allen's book, As a Man Thinketh,
En el libro Como un hombre piensa de James Allen,
he says we must take the helm of thought.
él dice que nosotros tenemos que tomar la coraza del pensamiento, la cabeza del pensamiento.
We have to take control of our thoughts.
Tú tienes que tomar control de tus pensamientos.
We have to recreate the picture that we're holding.
Tienes que recrear la imagen que tú estás agarrando.
He says in that book that we do not get what we want in this life.
En ese libro él dice que tú no tienes lo que tú quieres en esta vida.
We get who we believe we are.
Nosotros tenemos lo que nosotros creemos que somos.
And the belief of who you are
Y la creencia de quien tú crees que eres
is greatly determined by the story you read,
está determinado o está grandemente determinada por la historia que tú has leído,
by the author you listen to.
por el autor que tú escuchas.
And I recommend you listen to the author of the table of contents
Y yo te recomiendo a que tú escuches al autor del índice
and then grab your pen
y después agarres tu lápiz.
and then begin to write your story
Y después empieces a escribir tu historia.
and read and live that story.
Y lee y vive esa historia.
Our greatest gift,
Nuestro mayor don,
our fundamental right and freedom
nuestra libertad y fundamental
is to choose our own thoughts.
es elegir nuestros propios pensamientos.
In the height of World War II,
A lo más alto de la Segunda Guerra Mundial,
in Auschwitz,
en Europa,
Dr. Viktor Frankl,
Viktor Frankl,
a Jewish psychiatrist,
un psiquiatra judío
imprisoned
en la prisión
in Auschwitz,
en Europa,
writes in his book Man's Search for Meaning
en la búsqueda de un significado, en su libro En la búsqueda del significado,
that with all of the torture that they
que
suffered,
con toda la tortura que él sufrió,
all the indignity and inhumanity,
toda la inhumanidad, indignidad que él vivió,
where they were starved and beaten,
donde lo fueron golpeados y pasaron hambre,
he said in all of that, there was one freedom they could not take.
él dice que en todo eso, en todo ese dolor, había una libertad que ellos no podían tomar.
The only freedom they could choose
La única libertad que ellos podían elegir
was to choose their own thoughts,
era pensar sus propios pensamientos,
to choose one's own attitude.
para elegir tu propia actitud.
And there I think in lies the problem,
Y ahí yo creo que está el problema.
is that most people don't understand what attitude is.
Es que la mayoría de las personas no entienden lo que es actitud.
We think attitude is something that we control by the expression of our energy.
Nosotros pensamos que actitud es lo que controlamos con la expresión de nuestra energía.
We can feel your attitude.
Yo puedo sentir tu actitud.
We can feel your passion.
Yo puedo sentir tu pasión.
But that's one piece of attitude.
Pero eso es una parte.
Attitude
Actitud
is our thoughts,
es nuestro pensamiento,
it's our feelings,
es nuestras emociones
and it's our actions.
y nuestras acciones.
But it's not any one of these things independent of each
Pero
other.
no son ninguna de estas tres independientemente una de otra.
It's the composite of these.
Es la composición de estas.
Take your pen and write these words.
Toma tu lápiz y escribe estas palabras.
The first word is thoughts.
La primera palabra es pensamiento.
The next word is feelings.
La segunda palabra es
The
emociones.
next word is action.
La segunda palabra es acción.
So the composite of those three
So, la composición de esos tres
is attitude.
es tu actitud.
Now, what determines
Lo que determina
if we have a good attitude or a bad
si yo
attitude?
tengo una buena o una mala actitud.
Hey, we don't have to go far in our day to see bad attitude.
Yo no tengo que ir muy lejos para ver una mala actitud.
I mean, you can spot a bad attitude a mile away.
Tú puedes ver una mala actitud una milla de distancia.
You can walk into a place of business,
Tú puedes ir a un negocio,
sit down at a restaurant,
sentarte en un
and
restaurante
as you watch the waiter walk towards the table,
y a medida que la camarera o el camarero viene hacia tu mesa,
be like,
tú sabes,
it's going to be bad service.
tú sabes que va a ser un mal servicio.
They project a negative attitude.
Proyectan una actitud negativa.
We can also see it the other way.
También podemos ver de la otra manera.
You can walk in
Tú puedes ir
and you can just see that spark in
y
someone.
tú puedes ver esa chispa
It's a
dentro de la
positive
persona.
attitude.
Es una actitud
And
positiva
it's contagious.
y es contagiosa.
So what's the difference?
So, ¿cuál es la diferencia?
As you've got the words, thoughts, feelings, and
A
actions,
medida que tú miras las palabras, pensamientos, emociones y acciones,
take the golden pen.
coge el lápiz de oro.
This is the golden pen of your choice.
Este es el lápiz de oro de tu elección.
Your ability to define your life.
Tu habilidad de definir tu vida.
Put a circle around those three words.
Haz un círculo alrededor de esas tres palabras.
And that circle represents the circle of responsibility.
Y ese círculo representa tu círculo de responsabilidad.
And any time
Y en cualquier momento
you surrender
que tú te
the
rindes,
responsibility for those three things in your
la
life,
responsabilidad de una de esas tres cosas de tu vida,
you lose.
tú pierdes.
You lose.
Pierdes.
And we do it all the time.
Y nosotros lo hacemos todo el tiempo.
See what you made me do?
Mira lo que tú me hiciste hacer.
They hurt my feelings.
Ellos me hirieron mis
It's
sentimientos.
not my fault.
No es mi culpa,
It's their fault.
es su culpa.
We wake up and we play the blame game.
Nosotros nos despertamos y jugamos el juego de la culpabilidad.
We look in the mirror in the morning
Miramos en el espejo por la mañana
and say, who's the matter with me
y
today?
dice, ¿quién tendrá un problema conmigo hoy?
It certainly can't be.
No puede ser yo.
It's not my fault.
No es mi culpa.
We blame our boss.
Culpamos a nuestro jefe,
We blame our spouses.
nuestras
We
esposas,
blame our vendors.
nuestros
We
vendedores,
blame the customer.
el cliente,
We blame the government.
el gobierno.
It's always other people,
Siempre es la culpa de otros,
never me.
menos la mía.
That's living life at its lowest level of awareness.
Ese es vivir la vida al nivel más bajo de conciencia.
And what we want to do is we form a positive self-attitude
Y lo que queremos hacer es que nosotros formemos una actitud positiva
and begin to form a positive self-image.
y empezar a crear una imagen positiva
Is take full responsibility.
y aceptar la responsabilidad por completo.
Take the helm of thought.
Toma la coraza del pensamiento.
have dominion over the feeling tone of your life.
Tú tienes que tener dominio sobre el tono de los sentimientos de tu vida.
When we think of the word feeling, what does that mean?
Cuando hablamos de la palabra emociones, ¿qué significa eso?
Feeling is a word that we created
Emoción es una palabra que nosotros creamos
to define the conscious awareness of our
para
body's vibration.
definir la conciencia que nosotros tenemos de la vibración de nuestro cuerpo.
And we register that feeling through our intuitive factor.
Y nosotros registramos esa emoción a través de nuestro factor intelectual.
And so if we've ever met somebody and said, I didn't get a good vibe from that person.
Si nosotros conocemos a una persona y decimos, yo no tengo una buena vibra de esa persona,
What does that mean? I didn't get a good vibe.
¿qué significa eso que yo no tengo una buena vibra?
That means my intuition
Significa que mi intuición
has registered the vibrational frequency
registró la frecuencia de vibración
of someone else's thinking.
del pensamiento de otra persona
It's registered inside of me.
y se registró dentro de mí.
It's not in harmony with the image I hold.
No está en armonía con la imagen que yo tengo
And we begin to reject
y
it.
empezamos a rechazarlo.
Now, the opposite is true too.
También lo opuesto es verdad.
We can meet people.
Podemos conocer
We
personas
can instantly have a good vibe.
y en el instante podemos decir tenemos una buena
And we have
vibración
that good feeling.
y tenemos una buena emoción
So we take personal responsibility for what we think.
y tomamos responsabilidad por lo que pensamos,
We take the helm of thought.
tomamos la cabeza del pensamiento,
We exercise dominion over the feeling tone of our life.
ejercemos dominio sobre las emociones, el tono de las emociones de nuestras vidas
And then we immediately
y de inmediato
take action
tomamos acción
in the direction of our dream,
en la dirección de nuestros sueños,
regardless of the condition and
sin
circumstances.
importar las condiciones o circunstancias.
So the self-image is so critical.
So, la imagen personal es tan crítica
We never outperform our own
que
self-image.
nunca sobrepasamos nuestra autoimagen. Escribe eso.
The image that we hold is so powerful
La imagen que nosotros sostenemos de nosotros es tan poderosa
that it becomes the filter through which we make every decision in our life.
que se convierte en el filtro de todas las decisiones que tú tomas en tu vida.
And the danger of the self-image
Y el problema de la autoimagen
is that it's buried deep in the pages of the story.
es que está en las últimas páginas de la historia.
We don't even know that it's running.
No sabemos ni siquiera que está corriendo.
It's like the elevator music in the back of a busy restaurant.
Es como la música de un elevador en un restaurante muy ocupado.
It's there, but you don't even know it.
Está ahí, pero tú ni siquiera lo notas.
This is why Carl Jung said
Por eso es que Carl Jung dijo
that until we make the unconscious
que hasta que
conscious,
tú no hagas lo inconsciente consciente,
it will direct our life.
va a dirigir tu vida
And we call it fate.
y le llamaremos destino.
And we don't even know it's
Y no
happening.
sabemos qué está
So
sucediendo.
the highest thing we can
So,
do
lo más alto que podemos hacer
is in studies like this,
es que en estudios como estos,
in studying books like
en
this,
estudiar libros como estos,
by having mentors like
para
this,
tener mentores como estos,
is to challenge the conviction of every belief we hold.
es desafiar las convicciones de cada creencia que tú tienes.
Who wrote that belief?
¿Quién escribió esa creencia?
Are the beliefs I hold in the table of contents?
¿Están las creencias que yo sostengo en el índice?
Or are they in the early chapters that someone else
¿O
wrote?
están en los primeros capítulos que fueron escritos por otras personas?
And I think the highest work you could be doing right now
Y yo creo que el trabajo más bueno que tú puedes estar haciendo ahora mismo
is really defining who do you want to be?
es definir quién tú quieres ser.
What type of life do you want?
¿Qué tipo de vida tú quieres?
Is your dream consistent with the table of contents of your life
¿Es tu vida consistente con el índice de tu vida,
as written by God?
como fue escrito por Dios?
And anything
Y cualquier cosa
or anyone
o cualquier persona
that pens a word different
que escriba una palabra diferente
than what the table of contents are of your life,
de lo que el índice de tu vida realmente es,
you need to immediately take the pen
tú tienes que tomar el lápiz
and draw a line right
y
there
escribir una línea ahí mismo.
and rewrite your story.
Y reescribir tu historia.
It's what I did,
Es lo que yo hice.
and it's the hardest, easiest thing to do
Es es lo más fácil, más difícil que yo he hecho.
because you're taking on yourself.
Porque tú lo estás tomando por ti mismo.
Remember, it's full responsibility.
Recuérdate, es responsabilidad total.
And so, I grew up in a very abusive home.
Yo crecí en una casa abusiva.
Now, when I grew up, the home I grew up in was not safe.
Cuando en la casa donde yo crecí no era segura.
It wasn't safe emotionally.
No era segura emocionalmente.
It wasn't safe verbally.
No era segura verbalmente.
It was not safe, physically.
No era segura físicamente.
And it was very easy for me
Y era muy fácil para mí.
for the first half of my life
Por la primera mitad de mi vida.
to blame my mother, who was my abuser,
Y culpar a mi madre, quien era mi abusadora.
to blame my teachers and other adults who didn't see the abuse.
Culpar a mis maestros y otros adultos que no veían el abuso.
It was easy and almost justifiable for me to be the victim,
Era fácil y casi justificable para mí jugar el papel de víctima.
but it didn't serve me.
Pero no me servía.
But it was a great excuse.
Pero era una excelente excusa.
Because I could just kind of lower everyone's expectation.
Porque
of
yo
me.
podía bajar las expectativas de todos los demás hacia mí.
I was writing a story.
Yo estaba escribiendo una historia.
Oh, my story was so good.
Oh, mi historia era tan buena.
I would have you cry for me.
Yo te hacía llorar por mí.
Pity for me.
Oh, sentirte mal por mí.
Oh, poor Paul.
Oh, Paul, qué pobre eres.
But it didn't give me what I wanted.
Pero no me dio lo que yo quería.
It didn't serve me.
No me servía.
And the truth is,
Y la verdad es,
I had to rewrite the story.
yo tenía que reescribir la historia.
What happens to us
Lo que nos pasa a nosotros
is one thing.
es una cosa.
But at some point in our life,
Pero en algún punto de nuestra vida,
we're no longer that child.
ya no somos ese niño.
We're no longer that victim.
Ya no somos esa víctima.
We cannot drag
Nosotros no podemos arrastrar
our past life into our future.
nuestra vida pasada hacia el futuro.
There's a story in the Bible
Hay una historia en la Biblia.
of the man near the pool of Bethesda.
El hombre al lado del arco de Bethesda, del pozo de Bethesda.
And he's crippled there.
Y él está paralizado allí.
And he's lying every day. He would take his beggar's mat
Y todos los días él va a coger su cama de pedidor, de mendigo,
and he would sit there and beg.
y él se sentaba ahí a mendigar.
And the mat represented his identity.
Y la cama o el colchón representaba su identidad.
And it was filthy.
Y estaba sucia.
It was dirty and dusty.
Y era sucia y llena de polvo.
He would sit there all day in the hot sun and
Se
sweat. on it.
sentaba ahí en el sol y sudar.
And as Jesus walks by him,
Y a medida que Jesús caminaba a través de él,
Jesus performs a miracle and heals him.
Jesús hace un milagro y lo sana.
So now here he is, healed.
No, ahora él está ahí sano.
And what does he do?
¿Y qué él hace?
He goes right back to his mat.
Él se va de nuevo a la misma cama.
And Jesus stops and says, "What are you doing?
Y Jesús le dice, ¿qué tú estás haciendo?
Pick up your mat and go on."
Recoge tu cama y vete.
In other words, once you are healed through awareness,
Una vez que tú estás sano en tu conciencia,
and that's what you're getting here,
y eso es lo que tú estás recibiendo aquí,
your awareness and your understanding is being expanded.
tu conciencia y tu entendimiento se están expandiendo.
You're becoming aware of the resources and potential within you.
Tú te estás haciendo consciente de los recursos y potencial que están dentro de ti.
You're understanding the intellectual faculties.
Tu
that you're gifted with.
entendimiento de tu facultad intelectual.
You're learning the laws of how you operate.
Aprendiendo las leyes de cómo tú operas.
You're being healed from a past story.
Tú estás siendo sanado de una historia pasada.
And Jesus is saying, pick up your mat and go.
Y Jesús te está diciendo, levanta tu cama y vete.
Why would you go back to that which does not serve you?
¿Por qué tú irías de nuevo a aquello que no te sirve?
And I think the reason
Y yo creo que la razón es
that most people
que la mayoría de las personas
will surrender what they want
entregan lo que ellos quieren
for the mat that's familiar.
por la cama que ellos están familiarizados.
We become so emotionally attached
Nosotros nos abrazamos tanto emocionalmente
to the story of the mat
a la historia de la cama
that we're willing to surrender a brighter future
que
for it.
estamos dispuestos a rendir un futuro brillante por la cama sucia.
And we need to break that habit.
Y tenemos que romper ese hábito.
We need to pick up our mat.
tenemos que recoger la cama
And we need to go on.
y tenemos que irnos.
We need to begin to take full responsibility for who we are.
Tenemos que aceptar una responsabilidad total por quien nosotros somos.
We have to exercise that dominion over all things.
Tenemos que ejercer ese dominio sobre todas las cosas.
Easy to intellectually understand,
Muy fácil de entender intelectualmente,
but perhaps one of the hardest things you'll do.
pero una de las cosas más difíciles que probablemente harás.
Because you realize it is a you and you deal.
Porque tú te das cuenta que es un trato entre tú y tú.
It has nothing to do about your past.
No tiene nada que ver con tu pasado.
Most people try to tiptoe safely to death.
La mayoría de las personas tratan de irse en la punta de los pies hasta la muerte.
Again, in the Bible, it tells us, let the dead bury their dead.
De nuevo, en la Biblia te dice, deja que los muertos entierren a sus muertos.
So as you begin to write this new story in your life,
A medida que tú empiezas a escribir esta nueva historia en tu vida,
as you're learning to do through this and other programs,
a medida que tú aprendes a través de este y otros programas,
you have to let that which is dead within you stay dead.
tú tienes que dejar eso que está muerto dentro de ti, que se quede muerto.
You have to resist the temptation to go back to the familiar.
Tú tienes que resistir la tentación de volver a lo que es familiar.
It doesn't serve you.
No te sirve.
You were made for greater than
Tú
this.
fuiste creado para cosas más grandes que esto.
And as you begin to realize that,
Y a medida que tú empiezas a realizar eso,
your life begins to change.
tu vida empieza a cambiar. My. You know, that's one of my favorite stories in the Bible. As soon as you mention that, and yo les digo ahora mismo, yeah, everybody's clapping. People are going crazy in the chat. Okay. One of the reasons that story is one of my favorite is because there is another story, Paul, very similar, very, very similar. There is a blind man, Bartimaeus, right? And he hears a noise. He can't see, but he hears a noise. And he said, hey, what's going on? And they said, oh, Jesus of Nazareth is going by, right? Jesus of Nazareth. So he starts yelling.
Mm-hmm.
And the disciples say, hey, shut up, right? Denying him. And he yells even more, right?
Right.
So, and eventually Jesus stopped.
Mm-hmm.
He comes back. And he said, what you wanted to be done unto you. Open question.
Right.
Right? It's like if you ask me, Messiah, what can I
Okay.
do for you?
Right. Okay.
Right? What can I do for you? Right? Give me a car.
Yeah.
I want fame,
Mm-hmm.
money,
Right.
give me a house,
Right.
whatever, health, whatever. But no hesitation, no blinking, no nothing, that I recover my sight. Lord, that I get my sight.
Mm.
Right? So open question. Just remember that, Paul. What do you want to be done unto you? Open question, right? Open question. Let's go back to Bethesda.
Mhm.
This man, according to the Bible, had been there for 38 years.
Years.
38 years, right? 38 years. So when he encounters Jesus, listen to the question. He says, do you want to be healed? Right?
Do you want to be?
Do you want to be healed? That's it. That's a yes or no
No
question. He never answered the question. You know, and I learned from you something I tell my kid. My wife is here. Something I tell my kid. The answer is not in the story.
Mm-mm.
It's in the question.
Always in the question.
I say this, I teach this all the time, right? I learned that from you in a call.
Yep.
And Jesus said, listen, do you want to be healed?
Yes or
That's
no?
a question.
Yes or no?
Yes or no, right? But you know what he did? He gave him excuses. Lord, the thing is that when the water is
Moved.
moved, right? Somebody else before me.
Beats me.
Yeah, that's not the question. The question is, do you
You
want to
want
be
me.
healed, right?
And we
So-
get caught up in our story, don't we?
Yeah, we do.
He goes right to the story.
To the story, to the
well,
excuses.
somebody else is faster. I
Yeah.
can't. You don't understand, Lord. I can't get to the water quick enough.
Yes, yes. So, estamos hablando del paralítico y todo esto. Yo te puedo comentar más adelante, tranquilo, te puedo dar esos detalles. Simplemente le estaba diciendo a Paul de que la historia que él contó es una de mis historias favoritas en la Biblia, porque yo hago un contraste entre esta historia y la historia de Bartimeo. Simplemente eso era lo que estaba diciendo. So, Paul, I really, I'm beyond excited.
Yeah.
Okay, I think we can shut this down and just go home. Yeah, no, because it's been fantastic. You always give it more than what we expect, and I really appreciate you.
bet.
I really do.
Yeah.
And this is and you went right in. So just to give an idea, right now what we're doing is I was talking about my story
Mm.
and I was talking about self-image, and I said write down 5 to 7 things that people said about you. Right? That people describe you as. And then asking them, who is that coming from? And then how do you see yourself? See, one thing is how you see me. Another thing is how I see myself, right? And you're talking about that content, that table of content. And then who's writing that, right? So it's very relevant to what you're talking about here. So
I think what's important is that we've got to be careful who we give the pen to.
Lo que es importante es que tú tienes que tener cuidado a quién tú le das el lápiz.
When I was, operating at a low level of awareness,
Cuando yo estaba en un nivel de conciencia más bajo,
I'd give anybody the pen.
yo le daba el lápiz a cualquier persona.
I didn't understand the power of the pen.
Yo no sabía el poder del lápiz.
I didn't understand the power of the pen.
Yo no entendía el poder del lápiz.
And then once I understood the power of the pen,
Y de una vez que entendí el poder del lápiz,
I was afraid of the power of the pen.
yo estaba asustado, tenía miedo al poder del lápiz.
And then I still didn't want the pen
Y yo no quería el lápiz,
because I realized, I'm not good enough for the pen.
porque yo decía, no, yo no soy lo suficientemente bueno para el lápiz.
I was believing that I wasn't worthy to write the pen.
Yo creía que yo no me merecía el lápiz.
I was operating from my old story.
Yo estaba operando desde mi vieja historia.
And my belief is that if I started to write the story, I was going to screw it up.
Y mi creencia era que si yo empezaba a escribir esa historia, yo la iba a dañar.
And I was so attached to what you would think of me.
Y yo estaba tan abrazado a lo que tú fueras a pensar de mí.
And I don't know who this is for.
Y yo no sé para quién es esto.
But whenever you're doing work like this,
Pero en cualquier momento que estás haciendo este tipo de trabajo,
the hardest part
la parte más difícil
is breaking the attachments we have.
es rompiendo los abrazamientos que tenemos.
The Buddhist religion tells us that attachment is the source of all suffering.
La religión budista nos dice que el estar apegado es la fuente de todos los sufrimientos.
And we get so attached to what other people will think.
Y estamos tan apegados a lo que otra persona pudiera pensar.
We get so attached to losing that which we have
Estamos tan apegados a perder eso que nosotros tenemos,
that we're almost paralyzed by fear to answer these types of questions truthfully.
que estamos casi paralizados a la hora de responder estas preguntas verdaderamente, con honestidad.
We're almost afraid of what we see in the mirror.
Es como si tuviéramos miedo a lo que vemos en el espejo.
And there's great power when you can break the attachment of people pleasing.
Hay un gran poder cuando tú rompes el apegamiento a complacer a las personas.
One way to know if you get these questions right, if you get the answers right,
Una forma de darte cuenta si tú estás respondiendo estas preguntas correctamente
is to ask yourself as you do this exercise,
es preguntarte a medida que tú haces este ejercicio,
am I filtering my answer
¿estoy yo filtrando mi respuesta
through the energy of fear or obligation?
a través de la energía de miedo o obligación?
Because fear and obligation is toxic soil.
El miedo y obligación es una tierra tóxica, un terreno tóxico.
Your dream will never mature.
Tu sueño nunca madurará.
It can never take root
No puede nunca tener raíces
in toxic soil.
en un terreno tóxico.
So as you ask these questions
So, a medida que tú correspondes a estas
and you
preguntas
begin to build this image of who you want to be,
y tú empiezas a construir una imagen de quién tú quieres ser,
there will be a natural tendency.
hay una tendencia natural.
And when I say natural, I mean natural in the human sense,
Y yo digo natural en el sentido humano,
but very unnatural in the spiritual sense.
pero muy no natural en el sentido espiritual.
Spiritually, you're seeking fuller expression and fuller expansion.
Espiritualmente tú estás buscando una expresión completa y una expansión completa.
Our human experience on the natural plane is on the physical plane.
Nuestra experiencia humana en el sentido natural es en el sentido físico.
And so our natural inclination is to create limitation.
Y nuestra inclinación natural es crear limitaciones.
If we look at this table,
Si nosotros miramos esta mesa,
there's bunch of guys here.
Hay un grupo de
If
personas
we
aquí.
started to stand on this table,
Si tú te paras en esta mesa,
it would eventually collapse
eventualmente se va a caer, se va a romper
under our weight.
por nuestro peso.
It has a natural built-in limitation.
Hay una limitación natural que se construyó en esta mesa.
But in this work, you're working in the spiritual realm.
En este trabajo, tú estás trabajando en el lugar espiritual, en el plano espiritual.
And so you have to make sure that as you do an exercise like this,
So, tú tienes que asegurarte que a medida que tú haces ejercicios como este,
that you operate fully aware of what part of you is answering these
que
questions.
tú lo hagas operando completamente consciente de cuál es la parte dentro de ti que está contestando estas preguntas.
And to your highest level of awareness,
Y a tu nivel de conciencia más alto,
stay focused on the spiritual essence of who you are.
quédate enfocado en la esencia espiritual de quien tú eres.
And as you answer the questions,
Y a medida que tú respondes las preguntas,
if you find yourself asking, what will other people think?
si tú te encuentras preguntando, ¿qué pensarán otras personas?
Is this good for this person or that person?
¿Es eso bueno para esta persona o aquella persona?
You begin to move right down the slippery slope of obligation.
Tú estás deslizándote hacia el lugar de obligación.
The very best thing you can do for
Lo
those you love,
mejor que tú puedes hacer para aquellos que tú amas
and the very best thing you can do for mankind,
y lo mejor que tú puedes hacer por la humanidad
is to live your highest good.
es vivir tu mejor versión.
Is for you to be the very best version of you.
Es porque tú seas la mejor versión de ti.
See, you don't have to worry about what you create helping or not helping other people.
Tú no tienes que preocuparte en lo que tú creas ayudando o no ayudando a otras personas.
That's a values-based question.
Eso es una pregunta basada en valores.
Your values will take care of that later.
Tus valores se van a encargar de eso después.
This is a you and you deal.
Esto es un trato entre tú y tú.
What is it that you truly want?
¿Qué es lo que en realidad tú quieres?
What do you hear and feel is emerging from your soul?
¿Qué es lo que tú sientes y escuchas que está emergiendo desde tu alma?
We're pulled both by a longing and a discontent.
Estamos alados por un deseo y un descontentamiento.
So what is that longing?
¿Cuál es el deseo?
What is it that God's kind of putting on your heart to be and do and have?
¿Qué es eso que Dios te ha puesto en tu corazón para que tú seas, tengas y hagas?
And then write that truth.
Y escribe esa verdad.
Don't give one thought to how you'll do it.
No le des ni un pensamiento a cómo tú lo vas a hacer.
You'll never know how to do it.
Tú nunca sabrás cómo hacerlo.
You'll never know how to do
Tú
it.
nunca sabrás cómo hacerlo.
Focus rather
Enfócate
on why.
en por qué.
On why.
En por qué.
Why is this important? for
¿Por qué es eso importante para mí?
you? And I think if you'll do that,
Y yo creo que si tú haces eso,
you'll be really well served.
tú estarás bien servido.
And I know you're going to do great.
Y yo sé que tú estarás grandeza. My
Thank you,
friend,
my friend.
thank
Yeah,
you. I
good.
appreciate you.
So what's
Yes.
the rest of the day look like?
So
for us?
we're here until noon time.
Right on.
Okay. We have I don't want to say it, but we have Papa.
Okay.
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 Because he has a recording right
Yeah.
after me, so I'm gonna
Sure.
steal. I'm gonna
Of
steal a
course.
few minutes. You know, I'm being genuine, very strategic.
Very good.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So we'll go up to now about to 9:50.
Yeah.
I will talk a little more. I'm gonna wrap this point up. So we have 4 blocks.
Good.
Auto image. We're talking about action. We're talking about the mechanism of success.
Yep.
And in the end, I'm talking about the cycle of reprogramming.
Yep.
Believe, take to action, action create habits, and habits create your results.
Yep.
Your results simply confirm what you believe.
That's it.
So the conclusion that you arrive is always based in the belief that you begin with.
Period.
Okay? So
You guys are in for a good day. Yeah.
all right.
Right
Thank
on,
you,
my
Paul.
friend.
All
God
right.
bless.
I hope to see you later, okay?
You bet. Really
Yeah,
proud
man.
of you.
Have
Okay.
a good one.
Okay, be well.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you. Appreciate you. Okay, mi gente.